Hello guys, welcome to my channel Medigyan and Viral Partal. Today I am going to investigate about a video which is getting viral on social media claiming that a medicine named Isoral 20 mg, which is its capsule form, have keel or screw type object inside it. First see that video which is getting viral
बड़ी वालों की
and
खुराक
then we investigate it
अभी
about
ये
further.
इसी तरह बेचना है। अभी देखना ये मैं पैकेट खोल के आप लोगों को दिखा रहा हूँ। बिल्कुल
Okay guys, you have watched video carefully. Now I'll put my investigation in step by step. First see this box carefully. There is written 14 capsule inside this box, and in this viral video when the man take a step in the hand, we can clearly see there are not 14 capsule, there are 8 capsule, 4 multiplied with 2. Assume if this box contains more strips of that medicine, then this box should contain multiple of 8, means 8, 16, like this. But there is huge difference between what is written on the box and what is inside the box. Let's move to the second step of investigation. There is written manufacturer name of this medicine, City Pharmaceutical Laboratories. Let's search about this something more. Let's see further who is real manufacturer of this medicine. When we search about it on Google, we found that Sky AF Pharmaceutical Laboratories have manufactured this medicine firstly, which is Bangladesh based company. Let's go to the image section of to explore something more. When we go to the image section, we see the real Isoral 20 mg photo. The real 20 mg Isoral seen something like this. We can clearly see it is not as same as that viral video. It is quite different. This is the another reason to say that the video is fake. Let's search about the City Pharmaceutical Laboratories, which is mentioned at that box. There are so many links appear on the searching of City Pharmaceutical Laboratories. Let's go to the image section to explore something more. We can find some valuable things. When we go to the image section, we are seeing that a Facebook link named City Pharmaceutical Laboratories appear on the image section. This is this one. We click it and I am now going to Facebook. Here we can see City Pharmaceutical Laboratories. Here is mentioned their website too, and rating and send message type option. Let's go to their website. When we go to their website, this website is not working. Maybe some error, some fault. City Pharmaceutical Laboratories have given their social media links so that everyone could chat or message things. Guys, if they were fake or they were scammers, they will never give any social media link. They will keep themselves underground, not so open like this. Beside of all these things, I want to tell you guys that esomeprazole is a prescription medicine. Prescription means when any drug is prescribed, it can be taken under prescription only. When doctor prescribed only, then you can take that medicine. You go to medical store, then you cannot find that medicine. Prescription mean I'll tell you guys. See this image clearly. There is a see clearly. There is a red strip, red lining is like this made will be made when any medicine is prescription. But on that viral video, we have not seen any line like that. There is a third thing. This is the third part of investigation that is clearly saying the video is fake. Then guys, please don't worry. This is certain any evil thing done by worker or their worker to defame company name, and this is completely wrong, completely fake, guys. These things are very easy to do. Packaging machines are very easily available, and third companies also try to defame the other one. So guys, I am now sure you will not believe in this rumor anymore. This video is completely fake. I have put you 4 investigation point toward you, which is showing on every point this video is fake. Okay guys, bye, take care yourself and don't believe in rumors. Guys, you have found this video helpful, please share to other to increase awareness. And thanks guys, thanks for watching.